It will always be impossible to weigh a single atom or a single molecule. However, experiments exist that could easily measure relative masses. Knowing this, chemists define the atomic mass unit in the following way. An atom of carbon-12, consisting of 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons, weighed exactly 12 atomic mass units. At this point, we cannot say how much an atomic mass unit weighs. We can only say that 12 of them will have the same mass as an atom of carbon-12. Experiments can easily establish the relative weights of isotopes. For example, an atom of carbon-13 is 1.08361 times heavier and thus weighs 13.00335 atomic mass units. Also, experiments can easily determine that 98.89% of carbon atoms are carbon-12 and 1.11% are carbon-13, thus meaning that the average carbon atom's mass can be determined by calculating the weighted mean of the two isotopes. This gives 12.01 atomic mass units. Please note that no single carbon atom weighs this amount, just as no single Canadian family has the average number of members 3.9. It is merely an average. The next arbitrary decision is Avogadro's number. Just as 12 objects give a dozen, an Avogadro's number gives a mole. The precise value of Avogadro's number changes with time, but the definition remains the same. Avogadro's number is the number of atoms in precisely 12 grams of pure carbon-12. The current accepted value for Avogadro's number is 6.0221429 times 10 to the 23, but 6.022 times 10 to the 23 will suffice for our purposes. With these two definitions, the relationship between the average mass of an atom and the mass of a mole of atoms is easy. An average carbon atom weighs 12.01 atomic mass units, while a mole of carbon atoms weighs 12.01 grams. With these definitions, it is trivial to calculate the mass of a molecule. It is merely the sum of the atomic masses. It is also trivial to calculate the mass of a single atom or molecule. It is merely the molar mass divided by Avogadro's number. The mass of the atom or molecule can be trivially calculated, but we will never directly measure it, as pointed out at the start.